Step 1. Vehicle off and cool. Remove the factory intake resonator from the turbo inlet. Step 2. Loosen the clamps on the stock intake tube and remove it, setting it aside for later. Step 3. Disconnect the turbo solenoid wire harness. Unclip the sensor harness from its support bracket. Disconnect the manifold air temperature sensor harness connector. Unbolt and remove the Z-shaped turbo inlet support bracket from the turbo compressor housing. Step 4. Remove the CCV vent hose by unbolting it at both ends and loosening the hose clamp on the turbo inlet. Step 5. Loosen the V-band clamp and remove the factory turbo inlet. Step 6. Place the PPE carbon fiber turbo inlet in position with the included V-band clamp loosely on. Tighten the V-band clamp to secure the turbo inlet. Do not tighten it all the way down yet. Step 7. Reinstall the Z-shaped bracket using the factory nut. Rotate the PPE turbo inlet to rest on top of the Z bracket. Then tighten the V-band clamp. Reconnect the turbo solenoid control wiring harness and relatch to lock. Reconnect the manifold temperature sensor wiring harness connector. Step 8. Reinstall the CCV hose, connecting it to the PPE turbo inlet. Unbolting the large wiring harness connector can help provide access. Reinstall the factory bolts to reconnect the CCV tube back to the valve covers. Step 9. Connect the included flexible coupler to the air filter box and the PPE turbo inlet, and tighten the hose clamps. The PPE logo should be on the airbox side. Installation complete.